Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Farmington local and long-distance movers near me. We understand that you might be moving your belongings over a long distance, and we have all it takes for a long-distance trip. We are aware that a long-distance move is over 50 miles from your current location. You might want to move interstate or intrastate. We consider our customers' budget, destination, availability, and the time frame when drawing out your moving plan. Our trucks secure your items throughout the move. They organize them carefully and load them inside our trucks. All your items are safe with us. Our drivers are also extra cautious. They follow every highway rule and regulation. We are also the best option for a local move. Our local activities are cheaper than long-distance moves. With us handling your relocation, you have no stress at all. Our services are the best and most cost-effective. With 3 movers in charge of your movement, you can sleep easy knowing that you are in safe hands. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Farmington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.